Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download CashApp on your Android device. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download CashApp on your Android device, go and tap open your Play Store. Search for CashApp in the search box and from the search results, click on the install button for this application. Once you do that, the download process will begin. Until the download finishes, let me tell you what CashApp is. CashApp is a mobile payment service developed by Square Inc. It allows users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone application. The service is available in the US and the UK, and as of March 21, 2021, the service recorded 36 million active users. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, you can tap it open and log into your account. That is how you can easily download CashApp on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.